Hey friends, there's a new public beta you should absolutely opt yourselves into that has to deal with testing how a record matches a list. So transparently, I've never tested whether records match lists, but historically, if you've done it, if you're not opted into this beta, it'll look something like this, where it'll tell you for each group, does the record match or does it not, but it doesn't give you any more granular information for that. Check out what the experience looks like now. Here I am in a list. This is a contact list. And you could go to test contact here. And if, for instance, I'm wondering, why is Katie here? She's my beloved wife, but she's not really in my ICP. Why should she be, sorry, her, not me, in this list? And we can check and look. She matches this group. Contact matches at least one group, and we can see it's this list. But look. We are revealing contact phone number is known and showing the phone number there. And down here, we're saying for this group, contact doesn't match all requirements. She doesn't match this one, and she doesn't meet this one. And so you can see at a really granular level, specific things coming up here. Super cool. This is now, like I said, in a public beta you can opt yourselves into. So go to that product updates tab and opt yourselves in. Check it out. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you have any questions.